Okay, thank you.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you make me up, you make me up. up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my God, it came from. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my God, it came from. Hey, you made me a believer, believer.
I don't believe in no devil, 'cause I done raised this hell. I've been the last one standing when all the giants fell. I won't shiver, I won't shake. I'm made of stone, I don't break. Stop me
miss me tonight. Now I'm gone, yes, I'm gone with the wind. It's taken me someplace that I've never been. Oh, I found a place in those high desert plains that have never been known or named. I found a place in those high desert plains that have never been known, and they've never been named. Far from home and distractions of bright city light, found my voice, lost in sand and the earth's rocky spine. Lone wolf cries, strikes a chord, shakes the dry bones to life. Yes, it seems we're akin. I'm a brother with him in the search satisfied. Now I'm gone, yes, I'm gone with the wind. It's taken me someplace that I've never been. Oh, I found a place in those high desert plains that have never been known or named. I found a place in those high desert plains